Now to the state of emergency declared tonight in Louisiana. Tropical storm Cindy slamming into the south at this hour. It's now turned deadly. A 10-year-old boy dying because of the storm surge. Strong winds and heavy rain reaching shore, flooding far inland tonight. And look at the scope of the storm. Nearly a foot of rain in some places, with a lot more to come tonight. ABC's Eva Pilgrim is in the storm zone.
That's it right there.
Tonight, the Gulf Coast is under a tornado threat, with Cindy slowly approaching land. The leading edge of the storm filled with funnel clouds. Families on porches watching waterspouts coming ashore in Mississippi. Gusting winds toppling trees in Biloxi and along the Gulf Coast. Even a reported tornado in Fort Walton Beach, Florida. Tragically, a 10-year-old boy killed in Alabama. Storm surge knocking a log onto him. A state of emergency already declared there and in Louisiana. Grand Isle already underwater. Officials urging evacuees to get out early.
We cannot stress enough the importance of avoiding high water, and that's for everyone across the state.
In New Orleans, they're hoping the flood control systems fortified after Katrina will help keep the city dry. You see this pond? This is water out of Lake Pontchartrain. That levee is all that's keeping this water out of that neighborhood. More than a half-foot of rain already in Mississippi. Hundreds of roads submerged. Officials preparing for more possible rescues tonight.
You're anticipating that you're going to have to get people?
That we'll have to go in and get some people out. Yes, ma'am.
A difficult night ahead, and Eva joins us now from Bay St. Louis, Mississippi. We see the water there, the winds churning. Officials there now going door to door to get families to leave, Eva?
That's right, Dave. They're especially encouraging people in low-lying areas to get out now while they still can. They're closely monitoring the rivers with more than a half foot of rain still expected here. The beach, they're bracing for up to 3 feet of storm surge. David?
Yeah, the angry waters there behind you, Eva. Thank you. It's only going to get worse. Ginger Zee is with us now with the current track. Where's the storm right now, Ginger?
The center of Cindy is about 125 miles southeast of Galveston, Texas. You can see it clearly there on the satellite and radar put together as it spins counterclockwise toward the coast. It will hit tomorrow morning, the center of it, but we have already seen impacts, as you just saw. We've got a tornado watch in place from right Florida and the Panhandle there back through central southern Louisiana. Timing again for it to come on shore would be tomorrow morning, so a Thursday event with the wind speeds max sustained around 50, gusting to 65, but that is not the primary threat. As you so well said earlier in this program, you can see some of the 6+ inches that could still fall in northern Alabama or North Georgia, where we find flash flood watches. Tropical storm warnings still in place all the way through almost New Orleans there.
All right, tracking it through the night.